Welcome dear students. Today we are going to discuss about uniform circular motion in this video. So before I discuss this circular motion, we have to just revise a very important thing quickly, that you know that velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity and vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. So for example, 5 meter per second is magnitude and towards east is the direction. And so velocity being a vector quantity, it has both magnitude and direction. Now one more thing you have already learned, that whenever there is a change in velocity in a given time, then that motion is known as accelerated motion, or we can say that change in velocity per unit time is your acceleration. Now so this change can be in either in magnitude or in direction or in both, right? So if the magnitude changes, then also we say that velocity change is changing, and if the direction changes, then also we can say the velocity is changing. For example, just have a look on this figure. Now in this, suppose an athlete is running in this rectangular track. Now suppose he is moving with 5 meter per second. His velocity is 5 meter per second. Now at this point he is changing his direction. So we can say that here the speed or here the velocity is changing because of the direction. So how many times he is changing the direction in this case? 4 times. Now if we just make this track in this hexagonal shape, then again every time the body is changing its direction, its velocity is changing because of the change in direction. Now if I take this octagon, so 8 times the velocity is changing, means the body is changing its direction 8 times. So what is happening? Whenever we are changing the direction, we say that velocity is changing. Now if we just go on increasing the time, if we just go on increasing the sides, then what will happen? We will just come out to this kind of shape, which is nothing but a circular shape. Now in circular shape, what is that? At every point body is changing its direction. This is the one thing you have to remember, that at every point the body is changing its direction. At every point the body is changing its direction. So what you can conclude about the motion means, if direction is changing at every point, then its velocity is also changing at every point, right? Though if I say, suppose I say the body is moving with the speed of 5 meter per second, so magnitude is constant, but at every point direction is changing. That is why this type of motion is accelerated motion. This type of motion is accelerated motion. So uniform circular, why we are using the word uniform? Because the speed is constant, speed is not changing, only the direction is changing at every point. At any point in a uniform circular motion, if you want to know the path of the motion, it is always towards the tangent at the point. How can you find out this? Suppose you just take a piece of thread and tie a small piece of stone at one end. Then if you just move the stone in a circular path, if you leave the thread at any point, suppose you leave the thread at this point, then what will happen? The stone will take off this path. That means any time if you just find out the path of the object, then it will always be tangential to that given point. Okay, now what will be the velocity? How can you calculate the velocity at this point? So velocity is given by distance upon time. Velocity is given by distance upon time. Suppose a body is taking time t to cover one complete rotation. In that case, the distance covered will be, suppose the radius of this path is r, then the distance covered in one rotation will be 2 pi r, that is the circumference. So speed or velocity, you can say, will be equal to 2 pi r upon t. We can give many examples of uniform circular motion. For example, the motion of the moon and the earth, or the motion of the satellite in the circular orbit around the earth, or the motion of the second hands of the watch. All of these are examples of uniform circular motion. Once again, what is uniform circular motion? If an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is known as uniform circular motion.